October 21st, over 1.3 million Florida customers with no power due to Hurricane Milton. More than 1.3 million homes and businesses in Florida were with no power on Wednesday as Hurricane Milton made landfall as Category 3 storm, according to data from Power Outage US. In the state already battered by Hurricane Milton 2 weeks ago, as many as 3 million people were ordered to evacuate, and millions more live in the projected path of the storm. The utility with the most customers hit was Florida Power and Light Company, which has about 459,989 clients with no power, followed by Duke Energy, which has 433,803 clients with no power. Customers should be prepared for extended outages. The unprecedented storm, catastrophic conditions, and recent heavy rain will likely cause significant damage and restoration challenges, said Florida Power and Light Company. The company added that it has a restoration workforce of more than 17,000 people and has pre-positioned crews throughout the state. Over 108,000 customers in Georgia and North Carolina were still with no power in the aftermath of Hurricane Helen, which killed more than 200 people across the states, were the deadliest named storm to hit the mainland U.S. since Hurricane Katrina killed nearly 1,400 people in 2005.